somewhere in Devon, and we've actually accidentally decided to go to a model railway exhibition. I had no, seriously, Dorchester and Weymouth and other ones as well. I had no intention of doing anything railway related. I brought the cameras, so yeah, we could do a heritage railway, but nothing model. And Pauline says, let's have a look and see if there's anything on around here. I went, what? Really? And lo and behold, there is. There's an exhibition near Bournemouth. Now, it isn't so bad because it is peeing it down until about mid-afternoon. So we'll be done by then, and then we can go down to the seaside and treat Bobby, which she'll be very happy with. So yeah, we're just heading along this road in the rain. So we might as well go and look at Model Railway Show.
Yeah.
There's so many heritage railways around here, so we don't know which one we're going to go on.
Thatched houses. That'd be wonderful.
You get more English than that, do you?
No.
Thatched cottage in a Labrador.
So true. It's been doing really, really well, to be honest, hasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look what Pauline's found. Somewhere up here.
First sign for the Model Railway Show, so let's see.
They're always very well signed, aren't they?
Yeah. Got to turn the radio on.
Yeah. You can always edit that first bit out if we get sued of Tony Hadley.
Two minutes Model Railway exhibition.
Let's just hope they let the dog in.
Oh, do you know, we didn't think of that, did we?
No. Now you know why people always say to us, why have you got the dog with us? Because he's bad.
Oh, me and Bobs will go for a walk and you'll have to film on your own. Shocking.
Well, there's no reason they won't let him in because they had a dog show here the other week.
Did they? Oh, well, you never know.
Poodle fest thing.
Got the scooters, electric scooters, on the electric bike.
The awkward fair was yesterday.
Turn left, then turn right.
Further on. So we're parking anywhere here, I guess.
Oh, we're going to find a space, are we?
We'll be fine.
Hey, we're going.
They'll pick us up on it. And we do it with them when they come up our way. So yeah. Are you going in, Bob?
Might be.
A few traders.
Yeah. I think the traders are around the outside and the models in the middle.
That's a good idea, isn't it, that way?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see cows.
Right, plenty of cows on that one, isn't there?
No.
That Beetle's had an accident with a tree, hasn't it?
Oops.
Drunken German drivers in Austria. Anyway, I'll catch you later, Jonathan. You look after yourself.
Ah.
So is this a German layout, did you say?
Austrian.
Austrian.
How was that?
I think we've seen only one Austrian layout before, you know.
Really?
Yeah, somewhere up in, it's in Yorkshire, that one. Look at that rail car there. It's good, isn't it? It's almost like one of our Class 17s in a way, that. Lots of beer on there is always good. Get on easier. It's all the way down here as well, though.
Oh, right through the tunnel. It's okay. Come here.
It's going up at this end here. Oh, we got a bridge.
Oh, got a couple of bridges. Look at this.
It's good, isn't it?
It's really good. It's different than what we usually see, but I like that. I think I'm just going to do the backdrop, but yeah, I like that. It's very good. Oh. And what's the name of the layout?
Loddonsee. Loddonsee.
Loddonsees. Right.
Right, good that. Oh, let's get it going down here. Oh, good than everyone's. Nice. You enjoying this one, Bob?
It's on the front.
Oh, is it on this
Oh.
side?
Is it? Ah. Down here, look at this.
Do you want to go further round?
No, we'll start here. Look here. This is very good, isn't it? Oh, this here.
I like that. I like the electrics. Oh, look at that. Lovely and blue, isn't it? But look at this. Artwork.
Well, the Farge are cement, aren't they?
Ah, I didn't realise.
I mean, it does say in the tankers, but yeah, there is cement coming
Oh,
in.
right, okay. Very light in colour, isn't it?
Yeah. Excellent track work though, look at it.
Yeah.
The fences and everything, really good.
And cut cables as well. You want someone doing that with
There's the head office there by the look of it.
I know.
This one's back.
Makes you wonder what they've made it with though, doesn't it? You know, some of these, what they've used.
carrying out the operation as well. Getting caught. Brilliant.
That's back.
You build your own package show?
Oh, look at that slow one. What's that?
That's 66, I think. Oh, look, there's a 59 coming past, Pauline. And there's Freightliner wagons.
We got the AA van with the there's a lot there.
It's a dangerous bridge.
I've got about 5 or 6 Met Camp kits which I have built. I've got loads of different bits of because the airfits kits are a bit smaller. Yeah. But normally it works for double gauge. Normally, you know, I've got about 5 or 6 different paint kits.
Come to have a nosy. This is Bobby, he's come for a nosy.
This is as interested he looks.
We have a Jack Russell, a Yorkshire Terrier, that's our president.
Oh, is it?
really?
Larry group for the Engage.
All right.
And she's got her own coat.
It's good that when they're low so everybody can see them.
This is called Fareford Depot. Gatwick Express.
What's the thing in the middle here? Is that to do with the
I
track
think
and
it's
so on?
I don't know if it's a track tamperer. It's something to do with it, isn't it? Somebody will let us know.
Yeah.
Great Western. Loco Biano. EMU. Steel network safeties livery. Now look at the yard.
Still runs today.
Oh, right, cool.
Yeah, really unique.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
They rebuilt a lot of the Class 47s and made them 57s, you know, the ones that are generally still in use.
Oh, did they?
And now
Right.
57s. I just said they were old, you know, better motors, re-engineered them, you know. Like 50, 60-year-old design, isn't it?
Yeah.
And for somebody who likes blue locos, you don't get much more blue than that, Pauline. They're very noisy here as well.
Yes.
Oh, and there's a 37 in the shed.
It's busy, isn't it?
It is. Another one here. There's quite a few on here.
Fabulous.
It's a brilliant layout, this.
And I've noticed inside that's quite high up. And
Yeah.
then the steps up, so.
Like it's boarded up outside.
Oh, yeah. Fancy
I mean,
that?
look at this over here.
I was just looking at that. What's that got on it? Can you
I mean,
see?
No. Oh, well, it's obviously something touristy for the
Yeah.
for the West Country. Yeah, great shot down there. Oh, it's all lit up in the cab there. Excellent, isn't it? See, I love that livery, but I think it's just a little bit new for us. But we could have a little bit of artistic license.
Yeah.
Volkswagen.
You can do
van.
what you want, really, can't you?
What do you think when we got American stuff on there? You might as well, hadn't you?
Yeah.
47 Lindisfarne. So that ARC one, the ARC livery.
Oh, right.
That's awful, isn't it, that? Do you not like? I'm not a fan of
I'm
that.
not as keen, to be honest.
It just looks a bit
but-
wishy-washy. I mean, this red parcels livery is fantastic. The load haul I'm not keen on. The EWS, you know, isn't a bad one.
Yeah.
Then you got some old wagons there, like used for storage. Look. A fantastic layout.
Yeah.
Shall we look at this here? An American one.
A couple of weeks back and taking out
I don't know if you took the name of that one, Cardiff Canton.
Oh, okay.
Wednesday.
And you got your double deckers.
Wow.
Have you seen the
Look
size
at
of it?
this,
It's up
what's
there.
going?
Yeah.
What it's carrying.
One of the locals guys
They got a big boy there, look.
go on Thursday.
See it there.
Wow.
This is a huge layout.
Isn't it? But that's still good.
There's some bargain bins up there.
It might be. Wow. Even them are doubled up though, aren't they? The containers.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's blue. We'll work our way this way. Nice river there. Some cars in there. It has a Plymouth Superbird. Something like that. They used to have Plymouth Roadrunner thing.
Hear the noise on it?
Just a bit, yeah. An awful
Like
lot
that.
of.
There is, isn't there? That's amazing. It's coming loads, isn't it? The American ones just seem to keep going and going and going though, don't they? Wow, you
that's
don't
good, isn't
see
it?
a scrapyard anymore.
They got a little
do you?
fire going there. And look at that old caboose. Oh no, what have they done to it? Yeah, he's doing some welding.
Oh, you see that name on that factory just over the bridge, Rick?
Crap and stuff, I can indeed, yeah. Don't know what ink. Just getting over that, look at that. So much going on. Oh, this down here yet, there's another scrap works. Now you come into the country here. Your Japanese car importer there, look. On the bit of a scrapyard here. I mean, there's some amazing work gone into just that scrapyard there. But I say just, it's a bit unfair, but it's just.
How many of these Swift wagons are on here?
I ain't counting.
6, 8, 10.
They named them after your sister.
Yeah. There's
Oh,
so many though, isn't there?
Substation here. Wow.
How many wagons are on there? 25.
One there, what's up?
Ah, there it is. Lost Tanimals.
Lost Tanimals. Have we got to find them? Lost them. You can imagine, it's like a while, yeah. Is there a...
In the middle of the road.
Oh. Ah,
And there's horses going.
It will be interesting to compare the prices from south to north.
yes. Let's have
And
an
we'll stick with
nosy.
what we know. They're actually very good prices.
Are they?
Yes, they are, yeah.
How much is it?
That's £4.50.
Oh, that's good.
It's from
Very
Barnsley.
good.
We haven't got that one.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you going to buy while you're here?
Well, there's a card machine
It's a
down
lot.
there.
It's a lot.
Oh, we're on holiday. Got to take a souvenir back.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
But yeah, we've not got that. We haven't got this one, and it's all there. It's a very simple wagon.
Well, we'll have to
We'll
go
take
on the
that.
list.
Yeah. We've not got that one either.
I've not seen that one.
No, we've seen it a few times. I've just never got around. There's another one there. We have that. We have that. See, most of them we have. And
Right.
We haven't got that.
Oh dear.
Fiver, 75. Simpson. Yeah, the original boxes. I mean, I've never seen these.
If I ever go for a walk round, will you still be here? Is it one of those?
I think it is. Not got that either. There's another one. There's loads of them.
Most of them Butterworth ones now.
Yeah. That's most of them. That's a nice one. We got that as a mainline one. Got the newer couplings on. Oh, that's very good. Well, that's nice. That's 53, I think it is. Do they made?
What's that blue one? That dapple one?
It's a track cleaner.
Oh, is it?
It's a motorised track cleaning car.
Oh.
I was saying, look at the big blue one.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Oh,
What is it?
It's just an A4 by the.
Oh, right.
Or is it? No, it's not an A4. It's got an extra set of wheels. I thought it looked a bit longer at the back. But you got these on these here. Look, you know, the Metropolitan thing. Looking at before.
Wow. You said there was only two. Did you say two made?
Yeah.
That's nice, that though, isn't it? Look at it.
Oh, look at this.
Michael Faraday.
Look at that.
Wow. 175.
So these are all your locos at this end. Wrexham, Shropshire. Look at that. I've seen that livery before.
No?
Or that. It's amazing, isn't it? The stuff you don't know where to see. What's this trader called? Ray Hurd.
65. Wow.
Yeah. Aren't there usually a lot more? The observation cars.
I don't know. I don't know.
We'd have to check.
Go on, so there's that. What else have we got? We like that though, don't we?
We do like that, yes.
Are these all new ones though, looking at the prices? Or
I think so, yeah. New or newish.
28, 30.
Sorry, yeah. Bachmann, Dapple. Replica Railways is mostly ex-mainline stuff. There's that Roanoke one. We never got that livery, did we?
No, we haven't.
No, we saw it when it was a lot cheaper than that. I'm sure we did. Unless we get it mixed up with somebody else. A red one. The Yorkshire and Lincolnshire Tire Distillation Company. Oh, Oxford Rail. See, brand new. Tenner.
That's good, isn't it? Weathered.
And weathered, yeah. That's what we got the other day. Oh, no, it's not. Whitwood.
675, that's nice.
Yeah. No, Mansons. I've never seen that. It's got decent couplings on as well.
So, Rick.
Yeah, well, it's a Union Pacific boxcar. It came out in the very first Airfix train sets, which are actually American products,
Alright.
which were, I think they were early Bachmann, which were rebranded as Airfix when they first started out. And it's just unusual to see one for sale loose.
Right.
That is all.
What else did you buy extra that we didn't plan on
Oh, sorry. Well,
while you're here?
a couple of mainline models that we haven't got. That was $5.75.
What was that? It was a very quick flash.
Yeah. And that was $6.75. But he did round them off a bit, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the other one? Oh, this unusual Whitwood Dapple one I haven't seen before. It's not a new
Yeah.
one, but again, Dapple, because they did so many different models, some of them you don't often see. It's called Ham.
Just ham.
Is it new Ham or
Oh,
is
and
it older?
it's for sale.
Oh, how much? No, it's for sale. I bet it's going to take a few inquiries for it today. This is the best place to display what you want to sell, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it? Very nice.
So this is Robert's Railway Repairs, and he fixes stuff. You've got a spam can there, but look how he's advertised his name on the train.
Fabulous,
That's a good idea, isn't it?
isn't it?
If you'd known he was here, we'd have a load of stuff for him, wouldn't we?
What's that? Oh, is it just... Ah, right.
He's doing stuff to it, yeah. Look at that. That's actually a really nice livery.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, nice livery.
Different.
Yeah.
Well, it's better than some of the real ones, that.
And that's for sale, is it?
It is, yeah.
And how much is that?
I'd like to get 1,000 for it, but I'm over top.
Right, okie doke.
It's without the stock though.
Oh, of course, yeah, yeah.
Lovely, thank you.
Oh, I like that.
Okay, lovely.
Hello.
Hi, Bonnie. We finally made it.
Oh, his garden's here. Got a little greenhouse.
Well used, aren't they?
Church, oh, the stream goes right round there.
I didn't move it. I don't know who moved it. I'm going to see how long it takes that to move.
The coaches, the auto coaches. I think that's what they're called.
Right.
Yeah. That's got a good sound, doesn't it, for an Engage? You don't often see many Engage with sound.
No?
Pullman's on. The Royal Scot up there.
Not just this train that's got that. 8 Daddy, I think there's 8.
You're on it now.
Thank you. I shall watch out for this one.
That'll hot there. Oh, we're 33 with all the banana wagons. Wouldn't you see why there's none for sale now? They've all been bought. A fire station. Oh, look at this one here, Pauline.
Beautiful, isn't it?
That's the Somerset and Dorset livery we were talking about. It's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, these cows. Look at these buildings here. So we're looking at those, they've got a damaged roof, that's to cover it up. There's an awful lot of cows. Where's the farmer? I can't see the farmer. I don't know if they've escaped or somebody leading them.
Yeah, might be going for
There's a traffic
milking.
jam. Some more of it, I didn't realise.
And it's got some
They're all in there, aren't they?
characters from Thomas.
And the favourite, Percy. Well, this is a mix of everything. I thought it was American, but not.
I did.
So you look, come here. If you look at the back, that's the Somerset and Dorset Joint Railway, the blue livery I was telling you about.
Oh, it's-
So they have a blue and a green apparently. I really like that livery. And we keep seeing one of those tank engines for sale and we never buy it, even though it's the bluest of the blue.
got some lovely
So
cars on the back of there.
Yeah, Austin Healey at the end. So you got American, you got German, you got English. A Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, very blue.
You see all the way over there.
It literally is all the way around, isn't it?
Yeah. Past 33, Horlicks. We got Toby in there as well. Look. Looks like a guarding shed. Got a yellow caboose. There's something coming out of here. It's the 33. Then you got the 8 show Flying Scotsman there. Look.
Ah.
37 there. That's nice, isn't it?
Isn't it?
And a pug. Look at this one here. It's like the one we got, but it had the yellow detail on it. I think that's the Caledonian one, whereas ours was the LMS. Remember?
Yeah.
It's quite a rarity.
And
Oh,
there's
there's two, so not that rare.
£10 good though.
It is, yeah. What's this place called? Turley Crafts, yeah? Turley?
Turley Crafts.
Turley. Oh, it's narrow gauge as well. I didn't realise.
Tell when a camel turns up. It's behaved itself.
Guaranteed.
We're not
How
looking.
long is it, the layout? 44.
40.
Goodness.
So what's that in scale miles?
Yeah, good one.
Oh, sorry.
Don't know. It's the answer.
We'll ask them all one by
Well,
one.
it's got to
and
be
see
a
if
couple of
anyone knows.
a couple of miles, maybe. It's. I know there's so much going on, isn't there? Well, this is what's going on. You know, what's going on in the real world. You didn't notice, but when you look at it on a railway, it's
Yeah.
fascinating, isn't it? They can recreate absolutely everything that's going on, even the. You know, they're not. Well, this was just mundane day-to-day activity. When you put it on here, you appreciate everything. So, what are these locos? Are they kits? These ones?
Some of them are.
So I've never seen them for sale like this anyway.
No, so they are they're actually they were created as a kit, but never actually sold that many. So we brought a job lot of them. So
Oh, right.
there's like 10 of them that all look exactly identical.
What is it in real life though?
No power bogey.
Right.
That's the kit on the top is a Dundas Models Bromaded Stedford coach. So Paul, did you say Paul built that? Yeah, so a mate of mine built this, and it's he's used a couple of bus parts for the radiator.
Yeah.
But essentially, that's a really shortened carriage. Well, I say it's there was prototype inspiration.
Yeah.
Rail cars were used. The closest that would be about Clevedon, Weston, and Portishead, which had some dreary rail cars. That would be close to that. But it's Ireland. There were lots of 3-foot gauge rail cars.
Right. Yeah.
Totally fictitious. But in theory, it'd be about 10 miles long, I suppose. Tarrant Gunville, Spring, about 10 miles, 8 to 10 miles. Yeah. And we've compressed it into 40 feet.
There's a lot going on here, Pauline.
Double boy.
Look at these ones.
He likes saying hello to you. Bobby, who's this? Say hello.
All right, let's move down. You know, we've not even gone a quarter of the way yet. I do like these little kit ones.
Yeah, really good, aren't they?
Oh, there's so much going on. So you got some industrial bit here. Is it limestone or something? A little diesel in there, look.
Look at that on there.
Like a Wickham trolley. That's like the thing we went on.
I was just going to say that.
On that narrow gauge, wasn't it? That was an electric one, wasn't it? From an old power station or something. Oh, a camouflage pillbox. Some biplanes. Some wheelbarrows. You've seen this here? That one there.
Back to back.
No, it's not.
What's it called then?
It's a double fairly.
It's a double fairly.
It's not push me pull you either. It's very nice anyway. You won't believe what's down here.
Go on.
So you got your old thingy shelters there. There's a submarine in the...
That's funny.
There is.
I don't think I've ever
you.
seen a submarine.
I didn't think it was that deep, but there you go.
Must be.
It's a U-boat. Nobody's seen him. And there's a mermaid.
Where's the... Oh, so it is. That's nice. Them lovely carriages. Waiting for me to climb on, that's what it is, you know.
It's now cleared.
Into the station it goes.
There's a boiler here they're putting back on. This lady out here scrubbing a patio, though. Not patio, path. Betsy's signal box. It's like one of those Irish ones there. Yeah, what's going on here?
This one's going, mate.
Yep, we'll get him going through there. Oh, And you got the station at the end of the line, a little goods yard. Lights a little pannier tank in there. It's coming off the turntable.
Clearly made most of his way down there.
Have you ever seen one of those before, but not quite similar anyway? Do you remember?
Oh,
Continental layout.
yeah. How fab is that though?
It's good, isn't it? Very smooth, isn't it?
Isn't it? But look.
Well, there's a little man under there doing it.
Yeah, it's in between. But look, the size what it's pulling.
Yeah. Richard
That's
White and
fabulous.
Sons.
Now you can see that there's a problem in that there's the loco that's going to take the wagon away, there's the wagon, and the little shunter is in the middle. So we have to do a run round. So.
Ah.
Oops.
Ah, right, you drop it off.
It's a puzzle.
It is, isn't it?
There we go.
Lovely. I certainly haven't seen this before.
No, I've not seen two scales.
Crossways Wagon Works.
Yeah.
Well, it's based upon the fact that Horridge Works and one other works certainly had narrow gauge running around in their loco works.
Really?
But I couldn't tell you whether the lines were independent of the standard gauge or not. But I just used an artistic license there.
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah.
Fabulous.
It's amazing. I've never seen that before. It's always good to see something different.
What is he?
He's a cross between a Chihuahua and a Maltese Terrier.
Yeah,
Oh, right.
he's very docile.
Yeah. Oh, he looks it. I saw him lying on the floor back there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He
it's,
do-
it's
he
heavier
wants
than you
to-
think.
Yeah.
I remember looking at one, but I can't remember if we bought it.
I've got no idea.
No, I can't. I completely forgot about it. We don't need two anyway, so. I have to check when we get home.
What's this one?
It's a lemur. We have it. Exactly the same as that.
Really?
Yeah, it's the first loco I ever got as a kid.
Oh.
A little set there, a little shunter. Depot diesel.
Cool.
Something about the probably first.
That one over there.
That's a nice one. Hi,
See
mate.
those plywood, that's O gauge. It's the only one
I
here.
wonder if it's the lake it is. Oh yeah, it's the old Hornby one. Triangle, sorry.
And the chap down
We have it in green.
He's selling O gauge.
That's the earlier livery. You don't see that as much. It's nice, isn't it?
Some nice steam ones there.
Yeah. Well, that's a Hornby Double standard 4. It's nice, as is that there. And that is a later model, somebody else. Yeah, I'm going to have to check when we get home if we bought that or not. Because I remember looking at it.
Right.
I don't think I actually ran on the pretty straight away, I can't remember.
What are these?
What's that?
Tin plate.
These are. Look at that. Pool Fisher's Dorset. Got a big fish on it.
That's £30.
Yeah. They're limited edition ones, aren't they? Specially done. Look at that. A load on a kit wagon.
Yeah.
Seen that before. Pepsi. That's novelty, isn't it? Novelty and blue.
It's gosh.
Hmm.
How old are them?
That's tin plate again.
Yeah.
We've got one of those. We bought one for £1. And it doesn't work.
Yeah.
That's it.
Is it?
Sure it is, yeah. There's the tender. It's the same one. That won't be £1.
No. Turntable. Oh, motorbike and sidecar. A very old fire engine.
Not yet, really.
Very kind of you, thank you.
Just stand up nicely, because this one's my Emily as well.
You can say hello to the doggy, you won't bite.
Who's that? Hello, she likes slippers.
This is Bobby.
Hello, Bobby.
Bobby's king.
Probably some hard dog.
Oh, that's nice. That's Wren.
Oh, is it?
I didn't realise when I picked it up because I can see quite a lot of the
Does
Wren
it say
ones.
Wren muggins,
Oh, these-
£5 each?
It does actually, yes. There's the Robertson's one. It's nice.
Have we got one of those?
Yes. We've not got that one. Yeah, that's nice. That. We've got the SO Loco to go with that.
Have we?
Yeah. Sorry, that's a good one for £30, isn't it?
Isn't it?
You know that red one we've got, the blue one?
Yeah.
£30. There's a box. There's another one there. That's a 3-rail one. See, the later ones clip on, the early ones screw on. What's under there? See the Wren test?
What are you guessing?
Well, by the size of the box, it's probably a standard for
Colour?
black.
Oh, I'll go green then.
No, it'll be black.
Oh, well, are they all black?
Yeah.
How much is that one?
37. These are good prices, you know. The Wren.
Nice box as well.
We've got that one though.
Oh, right, okay.
And that's... It's quite a late one because they clip on, you know, rather than screw. It's not got the traction tyres. Oh, it has. I'm tempted for that. Yeah, it's a Wren 20. I've got the blue one, but I wanted the green one as well.
Yeah, the green one's always been preferred, obviously the livery's
I like them both. It's got the traction tyres on as well. St Dapple always do, you know, small limited runs of commissions at Lyme Regis Brewery, City Brewery. Very nice and blue those, yeah.
Aren't they? Right on my street.
So these are all the ones on display that are actually here. Oh, that yellow one. Right, let's look up here quick.
Oh, lovely then, aren't they?
There's the wagons to go with it. We will get some one day. Not in a immediate rush. But yes.
Oh. My little cutie.
Little blue ones up. And quite a few. There's a lot of Wren stuff here. This is dangerous. And that. The transcontinental one.
Oh, yes.
There's one of yours here. £2.
Another one.
£2.
Oh.
Very old one. You know, you used to see them where the roofs squash. That one's escaped.
How much is that?
3 sausages. Oh, this is a novelty wagon thing. Just trying to do a meal deal. Oh, Pauline, look. A troublesome truck.
Oh.
Chewing gum. Got Annie and Clarabelle.
Oh.
BP. You got a single wheeler there in the Great Western livery.
Oh, that's nice. I do like those.
It's a slightly different one, that though, isn't it? I think it's the same as the blue one.
Oh, no price on that, but that's nice work.
Well, they still do them. They've started doing them again.
Have they?
And there's a rarity there. You talk about the miserable ones. That's the old one, the very old one. I think it might be a UF or something.
Oh, right.
Version of it. It's James. There's quite a lot here. It's a main line.
Probably.
They're good prices. £6. Oh, how blue is that? It's not a serious model, is it?
No.
Just had to pick it out. They're all £2 or £3 in here. Very basic lemur. Some Locos chassis if you need some bits. That's quite handy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't see them as much as you'd think. You know, if you've got a Loco, it needs fixing. Just get the bits, don't you?
Yeah.
That's a main line, I think. £5. So you don't need every bit to be here. You just need to take off the bits you need, don't you?
Yeah.
That's Wren. Sorry, Hornby Dublos to get the different wheels, but it's the Wren motor would have been in it.
Let's just take a last look. Good view from the stage. So Bob's is ready to go now.
Yeah, I'm just going to pop to the beach now, get something to eat, and then head back to our cottage and put our feet up. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See you in another video.
Bye.
Only just switched it on. So a bit further afield than where we... Oh, it's not registering the mics. I've got the wire. It's in the car.